A single day spike with 1,85,248 fresh cases, India's COVID tally has shot up to 1,38,71,321 cases. Worldometer showed this morning. As per media report, India is the second worst hit nation in terms of total COVID-19 cases and third worst hit country in terms of active cases. India also witnessed 1,026 fatalities due to COVID-19 in a single day. The death toll from the deadly infection stands at 1,72,115. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,540 with 26 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The first cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Chandel and Jirbam district. The new infections were confirmed at Janim Siza Hospital, Babina Diagnostic, Raj Medicity, Mangal Ascent Diagnostic, Chandel RAT and Jirbam RAT. With no fatalities reported in the same hours, the state death toll remains at 376 at the state COVID-19 command control room. The state COVID-19 active cases are 118 while 29,046 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 98.32%. Intending candidate in upcoming Assembly election 2022 from Lamsang constituency Khunrakhom Kanba Maitai said that students in the constituency face hardship traveling far to get higher education since its constituency does not have higher secondary school. He also said that the state government school for currency mission is just a contrast area. He said this during the distribution of reading lamps and study materials to the students who are preparing Class 10 and Class 12 examinations. Acting on a tip of a team of LILONG police station personnel led by its officer in charge, including women police, have arrested a woman along with 132 packets of suspected heroin number 4 weighing around 148.1 grams at LILONG, Tharau Road area in Thoubal district yesterday. The arrested person was identified as Makamayum Rina, age 29 years, daughter of Makamayum Abdul Kalam of LILONG, Tharau Road, Jingo. Police reports said she was involved in selling contraband items to drug users by opening a vegetable stall at LILONG, Tharau Road village IVR, crossing near National Highway 102. The police team also recovered Rs 2,530 from the arrestee. A case has been registered in this regard. Assam yesterday registered 590 fresh COVID-19 cases. Of the new 590 new COVID-19 cases, 249 cases have been detected from in and around Guwahati city. 74 cases have been detected in Dibrugarh district, 48 cases in Kamrup rural district and 25 cases in Chora district. With the detection of these 590 fresh COVID-19 cases, Assam active cases tally has risen to 2,924. Moreover, one more person has succumbed to the deadly COVID-19 virus. The deceased person hails from Kamrup Metro district.